All right. So, in order to design an experiment to identify how and why you can make an action figure jump higher, you're first going to need to understand what materials you have available to you and how to use those materials. So, here's a little presentation on the materials you have available to you. Now, just to go over one thing before I show you the materials, just know that your materials might not look exactly like this. I pulled these images off of Google. Your material, so they might not look exactly like this, but these are the materials you'll use. So first things first, you'll be using a ruler. Just a hint, you might be able to think about it. You're trying to make a teeter board. Perhaps we can use a ruler to do that. So you'll be using a ruler similar to this. Okay. So you will have a ruler. You will also have a meter stick. Now, a ruler is different than a meter stick. I don't have a meter stick with me, but this is a ruler. A ruler is, I believe it's 1 foot, 12 inches. A meter stick is a lot longer. Okay, so you're going to use your meter stick. Think about it. You're trying to figure out how and why you can make an action figure jump higher. So think about how you could use your meter stick to perhaps measure something there. Okay, so remember, your meter stick is a lot bigger than your ruler is. You're also going to have clay. Now, again, you're not going to have 4 giant blocks of clay, but you'll probably have a little ball of clay. Again, remember, we're trying to make a teeter board, and think back to the article you read and how a teeter board is formed. Excuse me, perhaps you can use the clay for something there. And finally, you'll have an action figure. So again, you're not going to get a Thanos action figure. I don't think those are the ones we got, but you're going to use that action figure. I will give you the mass of it, and you're going to use that action figure in order for you to, that's going to be what you're measuring. That's going to be the action figure that you're jumping higher. So that's what you're going to use that for.